Okay, hey guys, so today we are discussing about how we can import and export the project from Eclipse to AEM and AEM to Eclipse. Okay, so just simply I'm just opening a notepad. Okay, so here you see right now you have a AEM. Okay, and this is the AEM, and inside that we knows that we don't have any functionality for the backend developer. If you want to write the backend code, you have to write the backend code inside your CRXD, and CRXD will not provide a functionality. Like when you will write, like consider this is the sample.java is there. Okay, so when you will write this sample.java in the Eclipse in your CRXD, they can't figure out this is your .java file. Okay, but when you are coming in your Eclipse and you are just trying .java file, when you will write, so it will provide all the operations. Okay, no, so if you want a main method, they will provide a main methods and everything. Okay, but in our Eclipse they can't provide it. So for that we have to move the backend content from our AEM to AEM to Eclipse. It may be any ID. It may be your Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, okay, NetBeans, or it's your Eclipse. Okay, it may be anything. So you can just simply use. But now I'm just taking the example of the Eclipse now. Okay, so for that, if you want to transfer some content from your AEM to Eclipse, for that we need a server. Okay, we have to create a server, and we know that our AEM is running on port number 4502, that is author instance. Okay, for the author instance I'm just creating a server. So for what is the port number? Yeah, port number, that is 4502. Okay, once this one is done, and we know that what content we have to transfer. See, we have some content, no, it may be your apps. That means inside the apps we knows that what will store components. It may be your backend code. So backend code in which module is store? Core module. Okay, so we have inside this server we have to add the core first of all. Okay, later that we have to add the UI content. It inside the content we knows that everything, the page structure, it's stored inside this content only. So we have to add this content as well. And inside this apps, if you want to change the component from your from your Eclipse, you can change it. So you have to add this apps as well. Got it? So how we can do that thing? So simply for that you just have to come here, and before that you just have to import the project. Okay, so project we have already created. How we can import? File, here we have options of the import, and here we have options of the Maven. Okay, so this project is our Maven project only. Okay, and this project we have already created in our local, that means it exists. So you can just simply click here, next, and after that here we just simply have to browse it. And once you will browse, where is our project? In D drive. Yeah, this is our project. Come here, click, and just simply select it. So you will see the modules. So these are the module it has present inside this project. Okay, so all this module it has came. Okay, so this is the module, and module have their own POM file. So this POM file also coming, you just simply have to finish it. Click on everything and just simply finish. So it is importing, so it will take some time for the import. Okay, so our project it is importing, but for creating a server we have to download the AEM. Okay, we have to download the AEM for creating a server. So you can just simply come here. Here we have options of the help, and after that here we have options of the install new software, and here another option is, that is Eclipse Marketplace. You can just simply go inside that and just try to select the AEM. Okay, so here, and once I'll just coming here and just try to search the AEM, you can't see anything inside that. Okay, so when I have search here AEM, so that time it's not showing anything. Okay, so just simply click here. So here we have a Eclipse marketplace. So once I have searched here inside this marketplace, I didn't get anything. That means inside our Eclipse we don't have this dependency. Okay, no. So you can just simply close this one, and another option is now we have to download from the internet. So help, and here we have options of the install new software. Okay, just simply install it. Once you will come here we just simply have to add. Okay, and here we have to name it like which perspective we are downloading, AEM. Okay, and simply click on the archive. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, if you have on the internet, you can just go on the internet. If you have downloaded here in your local, then you can just simply go inside your local. So I'm just going on the internet now, and here we have to what we need, AEM perspective we need it, AEM perspective for Eclipse. Okay, let me just click here, and you will see the okay somewhere, yeah, this is the perspective. Okay, no, so you can just simply try this one. Click here. So once you will click, it will download automatically. Okay, yeah, so it will ask to download automatically. Download it. Once you will download, just go there inside your Eclipse and simply archive, and you can just simply select this one. So it may be a present somewhere, so you can just simply select this one and just simply download this one. Okay, so once you will download it, two options will open. One is AEM and second one is a Sling. Okay, so we have to download it. Okay, like that way we have to download. So once you will download, now I'm just going inside the window. Here we have options of the perspective, and here we have options of the AEM. You will see this option once you will download this perspective. So you just simply have to click here. Okay, right now I'm in my AEM perspective only. Okay, so I'm in my AEM perspective only, so it's not reflecting anything. Okay, so we got it. Another thing, here we have a AEM. Okay, sometimes your AEM will not work, or you will not see the AEM. So just simply right click and close this one. Okay, sorry. So sometimes you will not see the perspective inside this AEM. Okay, so you have to switch the workspace and again try it. Okay, and switch the workspace and restart and again try it. You will get this AEM option. Okay, done this one. After that, here we have options, that is if you want to close this AEM, this is nothing but the AEM symbol, you can just come here and close it. Okay, that is nice. Now how we can create a server. So for creating a server, come here, window, show view, and here we have a server somewhere. Simply click the server, select it and just open it. Okay, so this is our server. Now I'm just simply deleting this. Yeah, exactly. So here this time option it will open, just simply create, and once you will here, once it will open, you just simply have to search the Adobe. So it will open this AEM. So how this option it has opened, because of we have already downloaded this AEM perspective. Okay, so this is the option. Just simply click next, and after that here we have a lot of these things. See, so here we have all apps, we have a structure, we have config, and we have a content. But where is the core? I am not seeing the core here, and core is the main, is it? No, core is the main. Core is at present for this demo, but it's not present for this. Okay, but sometimes no, you will not see any options here. Okay, so how we can get this option? So just simply click here, come here. Now what we need? Core. Click here, right click, and just go inside the properties. Once you will go inside the property, you will see the project facets. Convert to a project facet from. Okay, yeah, it has come. You just simply have to click on this bundle module. Okay, bundle module. Once you will click apply, simply apply and close. So once you will apply and close, again just simply create and just go inside your Adobe, okay, Sling, and next you will see your core now. Okay, I don't want to create the server for this two. I just want to create the server for this holiday project. Okay, so you just simply have to select this one. Okay, this is the thing I have selected, and just simply add. Don't add all, otherwise all of these thing it will add it. Now you can just simply finish. Okay, in some case you will not see this option, so how we can get it? Just simply go inside this test or somewhere. Consider this is the apps we have. Just go inside the properties. These properties have, okay, these properties have this JavaScript and something. This site is there, JavaScript is there, this content module is there. Okay, just simply click everywhere and just apply it. So you will see these options. Okay, now another thing, now here you see, here I have a apps. Okay, and inside these apps I am just coming here. See, whenever you will see inside these apps, what it will store? Components only, no? So when you will come inside the components, you will see all your components. Okay, now all your components you will see that is present inside your holiday. Okay, but this component is in deactive mode now. If you want to active it, if you want to active this component, you just simply have to right click here, go inside the properties. Sorry, not here. Right click here, go inside the properties. Once you will go inside the properties, you will see the options of this AEM. Click here, and here you see now it is going inside this source, main, and resources. Okay, that activation functionality, it is going to this source, main, and the resources. But where we need source, main, content, and JCR underscore root, there we need no. So you can just simply browse it. You can just simply browse from here where it is apps. Inside this apps we have a source. See, inside the source we have a main have a content have a JCR resource. So you can just simply click this one and just simple OK. Okay, apply and close. Okay, so now where it is, not this one, just right click here, apps we have. Before it wasn't showing this option, but now we get this option. See, we got it, this option, no? Okay, another thing, now when you will right click on this component, it will shows import and export. See what it is showing, import from server, export from server. Import, that means from server. What I am saying here, from server, that means AEM. Server is nothing but your AEM now. Okay, so if you want to export from here, if you have created something and this data you want to export to server, you can just simply export it. If you want to import something, like I'll show you one example, just come here, and where is our CRXD? Okay, so somewhere we have our project. Which one is our project? Holiday project, exactly. Okay, so here we have a component. Okay, so I'm just simply creating one component inside that component, name it anything, test component. Okay, let it be description, I don't want, just these things I have created. Okay, I have created this component. Now I'll just simply want this component inside this. Now you will see, is that component available here? No. So what we can do, just right click here simply, and we have to import from the server. Server is your AEM. Click here and it will ask for the server. See, still your server is not started. You have to start the server. See, you have created the server, and inside this server we know that inside this server you have added this data only. Apps you have added, core you have added, or something you have added, content. So all this data you have added for your holiday project. Okay, so we have created the server. Now we just simply have to start. Okay, so when I have start this server, okay, it is starting, it's taking some time. Okay, till now we'll see one thing, double click on it. So once you will double click, you will see it has bind. That means this server that we have created in our Eclipse, Okay, it has bind with this port number, that is 4502. So whatever you are changing, so all these things will reflect to your AEM, okay, in this 4502. Okay, debugger this one. After that, every time now here we have options of the publish. Okay, so whenever you will save the changes, you want to automatically publish. Okay, when some resources change, that means something you have changed, and after that you are directly saving, so you want to publish directly. Okay, so if you want, then you can just simply select there. If you don't want, then you can select nothing. Okay, after build, that means when we will deploy, that time you want to publish it, then you can select. But now I'll show you. Just click on this. Now if I'll try to change something, no. Okay, done. Now I think our AEM has started. Okay, so AEM has started. Just simply come here. Oh, sorry. Again we have to right click, import from server. Right now it's not showing anything. You can just simply finish. This takes some time. Yeah, now you will see which component we have created. Test component, no. Come at down and see the test component. Yeah, where it is, see, we got the test component, and we haven't changes from JSP, no, so that's why it is coming like this. Okay, so now instead of just double click there and just try to change something. Okay, this is the thing we have. Just try to remove this and just simply save. Okay, I have saved it. Now I'm just simply going there, and here we have, and I'm just trying to check it first of all. So we have everything. So what we have to do, just simply come here, and from just right click, and we just simply have to export to a server. Whatever changes you have made it, you just simply have to export to a server. Just simply export it. Okay, now it has exported successfully. Now just go there and again just try to refresh this one. Got it? It's easy, no? It's easy only. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, and after that, whatever the data you are changing in your core, so all the time it will ask to publish the content. That means it will, one option it will open, can't publish the content because your publish instance is not open now. Okay, so it will say like that, I can't publish it. Okay, so you can just simply select on this. Okay, save it and just save the changes. Okay, this is about the Eclipse. Okay, what's about the Visual Studio Code? So there is no need to create any, yeah, there we don't need to create any server. There we have to simply download the extensions. Okay, AEM sync is there, one extension is there, that extension we just simply have to download it. Okay, so here you see I have imported the project, and inside these apps here we don't need to do anything. Like here you see inside that already we have main content, JCR root, holiday, and there is a project it is showing, and all the project is in active state only. Okay, so if you want to export this one, right click on it and you will see export to a AEM server, import to a AEM server. So how this option it is coming? So for that we just simply have to come here and we have to download the extension, that is AEM extension. Okay, so here we have a AEM sync. You can just simply come here and just simply install it. So once you will install, you will get this option. Here we have this one as well, and this is the main thing. You have to install this one as well. Okay, no? So this is the thing. So whatever the changes you are making here, you just simply have to right click and import and export it. Okay, there is no need. And after that, if you want to execute or deploy your code, you can just simply come inside this terminal, and after that you can hit the code, that is maven clean install p auto install single package, like that you can type. Okay, so now your AEM synchronization started. Okay, it has started. You can just go inside the terminal If you want to create some, if you want to deploy your code, just go inside that and simply you can deploy it. So if just try. Now I just want to deploy this one. Okay, so you can just simply write here maven clean install p auto install single package. Okay, instead of that we have a two profile as well, like p auto install package and p auto install bundle. Okay, so if you want this one, you can choose anything, whatever you want. Okay, so this thing is done now. Now we'll see how we can import and export, or how we can deploy the code by using a IntelliJ. Okay, so this one is our IntelliJ. Now I'll just want to deploy the project. So how we can deploy it? So this is the project. This is the code I have, and I'll just want to deploy this code. Okay, so you can here you can see in the right hand side, you will see the Maven. Okay, there we just simply have to click. Okay, so here we have options of the profile. Just simply open the profile, and by default we have to click on this Adobe Publish. Okay, no, public. We have to click on this, and which profile you have to select. So now I just want to select this auto install single package. Okay, and what you want to do, what is your goal? Okay, these are nothing but the profiles. Okay, no, I already told you we have a more than one profiles. Okay, you can directly publish it, you can directly publish the package as well. Okay, so for that we have this profile. Okay, but at the last what we need a life cycles. Okay, no, so life cycle we have what we want to install it. Okay, so once you will select these things, and when you will click on this install, so it will start deployment. So whatever code you have written it, this code will deploy to your AEM instance. Got it now? So it has started deploying. See, and here it's very easy for writing a testing. Okay, if you want to write JUnit test or something else, then you can use this ID. Okay, so it provides everything is out of the box. You just simply have to create, and you have to build your own logic. Okay, so this is the thing, it is deploying now.